15th August 2047, Education Minister Vikram Mehta has finished addressing JEE aspirants in Kota.
It was really nice to hear your thoughts and to see your enthusiasm. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes,
it's
Basha.
really good to meet you, sir. Your work is really commendable and we students appreciate you.
Thank you.
But I had a question. Why did you choose to be the Education Minister of the Indian government?
It's a really long story.
ये बात है साल 2024 की। विक्रम ने 97.5 लाकर बोर्ड्स फाड़ दिए थे। विक्रम का एम था ऑथर बनना। ही ऑलवेज वांटेड टू एक्सप्रेस हिज थॉट्स। पर हर हिंदुस्तानी माता पिता की तरह हिज पेरेंट्स डिसाइडेड हमारा बेटा बनेगा एक IITN। बस फिर निकल पड़ा विक्रम अपनी जर्नी पर। रूम नंबर 105 IITN's हॉस्टल कोटा।
In Kota, he met Ishan, his roommate. ईशान की भी स्टोरी कुछ ऐसी ही थी। IITians में अलग बैचेस थे, according to their marks, and बच्चे uncountable. They found a seat for themselves.
Only toppers clear IIT. All of the students are your competition. सिर्फ A1 बैच से रैंकर्स निकलेंगे। बाकी सब आओ, पढ़ो एंड फॉलो द SOP। अगर लक होगा तो हो जाएगा, वरना सब लूजर बनने के लिए तैयार रहना।
उनका थोड़ा बहुत मोटिवेशन कब डिमोटिवेशन में बदल गया, उन्हें ये समझा ही नहीं। The Great Depression had commenced.
नहीं होगा मुझसे।
अब कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा तो ट्राई कर।
इतना टफ है, कैसे करेंगे?
भाई वो तो मुझसे भी नहीं रहा है, नहीं होगा यार। पेरेंट्स का दोष होना भी हो।
On 15th August, ईशान का बर्थडे था। जब विक्रम उठा, he discovered a note. Sorry मम्मी पापा, I can't do JEE. Vikram ran towards the corridor, and to his horror, he saw Ishan jumping from the hostel balcony. He called the police and reached home ASAP.
विक्रम 2 दिन तक कमरे में अकेला बैठा था। हिज पेरेंट्स वर वरीड। उसने अब सोच लिया था।
बेटा बाहर क्यों नहीं आना? मैं नहीं आने वाला बाहर। ईशान को जो करना था वो उसने कर लिया। मैं ये चीज नहीं करने वाला। मैं अपनी डेस्टिनी खुद बनाऊंगा। प्रेशर की जीत हुई है। अगली बार से
Vikram
प्रेशर नहीं
confronted
जीतेगा।
his parents. His parents agreed on whatever he said. They gave him blessings for his future. He started a new journey to bring change. Now, after 22 years, India has revolutionized education system
मेरे
because
प्यारे
of
बच्चों,
him.
I had to experience distress, but to overcome that, I practiced self-awareness. So after the incident, I worked on identifying my strengths and weaknesses. बच्चों, remember, self-awareness is directly proportional to individual development. Always remember, failure is a part of success. Suicide is not an option. Trying again is. Thank you, बच्चों.
To reduce the threat of self-harm among teens over the years, our minister has introduced a few policies under his governance.
Firstly, all schools to practice self-awareness techniques.
Institutions such as IIT and AIIMS now have more seats to ensure selections. Children who are close to cutoff are also to be provided with colleges.
Forcing a student to pursue a particular career will be regarded as illegal. Students to call on helpline 7777 to report cases. Dedicated support to financially abled, physically abled students has been established.
Proper subject faculties and communication between education boards has been ensured by the government.
This documentary is based on real events from earlier this year. 35% of recorded suicides in India occur in the age group of 15 to 29 years, which is prominently teens. An 18-year-old student preparing for JEE committed suicide at her home in Kota, Rajasthan. The student left a suicide note apologizing to her parents and referring to herself as a loser. It should be carved in the student's mind that suicide is not an option to escape difficulties. Rather, you produce more difficulties in turn for your loved ones. On this note, bravery is not being afraid. It is to face the fear without hesitation.